Made in China 2025, which aims at becoming a strong country in manufacturing, is the first 10-year action plan implemented by Chinese government. A new round of industrial revolution with intelligent manufacturing as the core is rising globally. In 2015, China's intelligent manufacturing industry sales scale exceeded 1 trillion yuan. By 2020, the industry sales scale is expected to exceed 3 trillion yuan. The next 5 years, the demand for smart equipment in the manufacturing industry will also grow substantially. China's intelligent manufacturing industry meets unprecedented opportunities in the century. Greater Bay Intelligent Equipment International Exhibition and Trade Center is the world's first one-stop procurement center for intelligent equipment. It integrates experience, exhibition, trading, training, research, supply chain, and finance as a whole. So it is a large-scale intelligent manufacturing platform. Greater Bay Intelligent Equipment International Exhibition and Trade Center is in the core area of Hojie Town, Dongguan City, also in the core area of Greater Bay, adjacent to Guangdong Modern International Exhibition Center, close to Guangzhou-Shenzhen Expressway. A drive from it to Shenzhen International Convention and Exhibition Center and Shenzhen Bao'an Airport only needs 30 minutes. There's a 1-hour drive to Hong Kong and major cities in the Pearl River Delta. The said center has 3 floors of 240,000 square meters, wholeheartedly serving the supply and demand sides of intelligent marketing and creating the super-grade trading base of intelligent equipment in Greater Bay. We have formed 6 core zones. Industrial Intelligence Technology Exhibition Hall. It shows the representative real objects that record the world's industrial development and witnesses the civilization process of the human industry, science and technology revolution. Intelligent Equipment Application Zone. Exhibition plus brand 2-in-1 mode. Equipment meets future needs with professional quality. With the theme of intelligent manufacturing, it focuses on the application of intelligent equipment technology, including core infrastructure components and information fusion systems. Intelligent equipment applications have zones below. SMT Placement Equipment Exhibition Zone. New Energy Equipment Exhibition Zone. Intelligent Logistics and Intelligent Packaging Equipment Exhibition Area, 3C Non-Standard Automated Assembly Equipment Exhibition Area, Photoelectronic Semiconductor Packaging and Testing Equipment Exhibition Zone, Laser Application Equipment Exhibition Zone, Visual Inspection and Automated Test Equipment Exhibition Zone, Industrial Robot Exhibition Zone, Accessories and Materials Exhibition Zone. It focuses on latest tech applications and innovative products in the international intelligent manufacturing field. It also focuses on the latest precision component applications and new materials in the intelligent manufacturing field. Technology Innovative R&D Zone. It is aimed to actively strengthen top-level design, research, and development in the manufacturing field and create a microenvironment that stimulates entrepreneurial creativity and innovation. Intelligent Manufacturing College Zone. It gathers high-level talents to hatch high-tech and sophisticated tech, provides skills training classrooms, practical training workshops, creative spaces, and etc. It is committed to cultivating high-tech talents in the field of high-end intelligent manufacturing. Commercial Leisure Zone. It has a large number of business and leisure facilities and creates for participating businessmen a leisure, comfort, business, and life micro-environment. We have 6 support systems: financial systems, business system, technical system, talent system, promotion system, overseas buyer system. Greater Bay Intelligent Equipment International Exhibition and Trade Center, it lets the participating partners operate through the establishment of a professional small platform It gathers the resources and is characterized by mutual trust, cooperation, and communication. It builds a community of interest, which is based on mutual trust, sharing, and win-win. It collects advantageous resources to maximize benefits. It is committed to become a global one-stop trading base for high-end intelligent equipment.